Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am with the special project which is called Starpower. What is Starpower? Starpower is a decentralized energy network that connects energy devices like air conditioners, home storage batteries and electric vehicles. They provide usage-based algorithms to increase energy efficiency, save on bills, of course, and reduce energy system volatility by coordinating a device charging and discharging accordingly. So in just 1-2 words, it's about energy and what is all about, what is Starpower. It's so interesting also for me, and in this video you will see all their missions, values, how you can buy that Starpower. So by the way, what is NOAA, how you can how you can understanding the new amount on your grant card, and their star mining and so things like how you can earn more NOAA with activating NFT and so many interesting things. But before starting, I want to tell that it's not a financial advice. It's just so interesting that I interrupt myself and I wanna start, but it's not a financial advice, it's just informational. So let's get started and see how it works. Starpower is a decentralized energy network. Let's see, this is their partners. How to buy Starplug is now available for order, but a little bit later I will show you how to buy. It costs like $99, So you can see their new Starpower partners like Elon Musk all will run out of electricity and transformers at 2025. So it can be sure, like, that's it. What is Starpower? There you can see light paper exactly. Also Star Alliance program. The program focuses on deploying hardware products like a Star battery in regions with high virtual power plants. PP's benefits to form physical nodes. There are so many information. I want to read it fast. Deploying users receive hardware subsidies. They are funded by global miners subscribing to these physical nodes. This initiative supports decentralized energy solutions by integrating storage batteries with VPPs. You can see grid stability and offering financial and environmental benefits to participants. So let's take a look. They're adjustable. This is energy storage. This is adjustable load management. This electric vehicle charging, Starpower and solar power. So we are in a good business by connecting the third-party energy devices. Starpower can coordinate larger number of energy devices, generate application layer revenue and share with manufacturers, device users. Market size, let's take a look. 50 billion virtual power plant, 100 billion carbon credit, free like trillion or electricity market. 100 billion is software energy data networks. There are 21 million plus there, and you can take a look to that. Starpower roadmap, let's take a look to roadmap. First one, use smart plugs as the hardware access points with token as incentives to quickly aggregate a large number of residential appliances. Open the API interface to integrate energy storage batteries and establish standard data formats for system-wide sharing based on the volume of users. So there are so many information. You have to read by yourself, analyze by yourself. I only show all the main things. Events around the world. As you can see, this is so attractive. As you can see, it's Hong Kong, hosted by Starpower, joined with Solana, MCM, BNB Chain, IoTex, Alliance DAO, Hashkey Capital, and so on. Join Starpower community. As you can see, they have Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, Discord. This is a huge project, really huge. Let's show you how you can buy a star plague. This is now available. Plague and play from $99 USDT. Connect to save Earth bill and earn star token. Connect, save and earn. How you can order that? Click that order. So easy. There you choose your counter plague type exactly. From Korea to like Russia. There you can see USA, Mexico, Canada, and so on. Quantity, there you write the quantity. For example, I wanted to add to cart. Buy it now. You click buy it now, and there you have to add your email, there your country, and so on. Credit card, card number, all the like information, and after that you buy that and received successfully. Also, if you have any questions or something else, if you have any issues, you can write there. They will answer you and the response immediately. So it's that easy. So you click and for example 1, 2, doesn't matter how many you want that star powers, you know. So let's return to star power. There you can see product, star plug, star battery, star charger, yep, and the docks there. Let's see first of all, this is interesting part 2, star mining reward. Star mining reward rules. Why does it take a week to see star incentives, and why use a weekly baseline measurement reward mechanism design? According to Starpower's economics model, star incentives and are distributed on a weekly basis. So you can take a look. You have to take a look to that all, because if I like explain all that things, it takes me minimum 30 minutes, and it's gonna be so long video. But if you wanna that long video, you can write at comments and I will do that for you. Activate NFT to earn more NOAA. There you can activate the 100-day NOAA claiming eligibility through NFT lookup. If you don't have an NFT yet, you can purchase one, and they follow the steps below to look up and activate. Pioneer Pass NFT trading platform. You can see marketplace exactly. Just click on that and you will see that there Pioneer Pass. You can see the offers. You can analyze it by yourself. Open the official and click on get reward in the upper. Yeah, also get rewards there. Yeah, let's take a look. Get rewards, you click on that. Get rewards, your wallet address of Starpower NFT, Starpower DApp, decentralized application registration email, Starpower NFT token address on SoulScan, and submit that, and you will claim the rewards. And to claim rewards, there are rules there how you can claim, and it's all at the description below. Just check it and you're gonna see. So they have also Twitter, they have news. You have to follow them to get first their notifications. Starpower surpasses 10,000 on-chain activations globally, becoming the largest energy deepin project. So it's a really huge project. There are so many like great and investors, you know, at this sphere, that platform. That's why it's so interesting for me. You can see there. Let's return to the website. There are so many like options just to choose. Star power, energy storage. You can see all the information here. So the docs, stories, use cases. But for now, the main thing is a star plague is now available for order, and in the near future you will see that you can buy other things also, and it can be available. You click there buy now and you can buy that, and also you can download their application at their iOS, Androids and the Galaxy Store with scanning that QR code. Scan the QR code or search for Starpower in the App Store or Google Play soon. Exactly. So all like newest and greatest things coming soon, you know. And now at the beginning I wanted and I want now to share that project. Don't miss this chance because it's new, and all the like the best things coming soon also. And for today that's all. Really, they have so many like benefits and advantages which I cannot show in just one video. It will take me too long. But if you wanna, I can make a second, third, and fourth, fifth video, how many videos you want. And for today, that's all. Subscribe to my channel, write us comments about that great Starpower project, put likes, and see you at the next video. So bye, my friends.